Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is a quick check-in for week 3. Welcome to week 3. So we're looking at chapters 3 and 4. You've already read chapter 3 more than likely, so the rest that you have to read is chapter 4. So the lecture here that I just recorded is going to go over some of chapter 3 and some of chapter 4. You'll talk a little bit about the communication style in chapter 3, and then listening and learning in chapter 4, which is really important. I also highlighted that there is a Robert's Rules of Order, how to make efficient meetings run efficiently, right? And you're going to see more of that in Chapter 7, which is further down the line in our um, class. But be sure to log in and look at Robert Rules of Order, because when we're talking about verbal communication, you want to know how verbal communication can be used efficiently. And this is one way to do it, especially when you have a large group of people. Further, you have one discussion post which is due this week, so make sure you post by Wednesday this time. This is a different timeline because we have the full week. Post your initial conversation by Wednesday before midnight, and then at the end of the week, Sunday is the last due date. Last day you have to do it, right? So by Sunday at midnight, make sure you post a reply to another student. So just 2 posts, and I think people have gotten the hang of that so far. So if you have any questions related to this, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to seeing what your thoughts are in regards to this Robert's Rules of Order, because it's really interesting, and then also hoping that you enjoy the lecture. We'll continue to move on in the book and in the course, but if you run into any complication, please let me know. Of course, you know my email, and you're more than willing to set up a Zoom call with me one-on-one. Happy to do that. Thanks so much for your time. Hope you have a great weekend. And remember, if you haven't finished week 2's material, be sure to do that ASAP. Thanks so much.